Accidental pariah. Gosh, Dad. Oh. Okay. Dad's been looking. Dad's been reading some stuff.
You made it tingle, baby. Light it up.
Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are back with some more Gone Home, and today we're continuing, and yeah, we left off in that room over there. We forgot to check this room, so that's what we're gonna start this episode with. And yeah, okay, let's see. What's this? Wait. It's a highlighter. Let's put the highlighter there. It's another highlighter. Let's put the highlighter there. It's a pen. Can I put the pen in the glass? No. Okay, wait. I gotta... No, I wanna have the glass. Yes, there. Okay, we can just knock it over. Okay, so back to basics. Sent back in time to Dallas. Again, you can do better. Okay. What if JFK wasn't JFK? Oh my god. Illuminati. Whatever. Utopia. Chinese. Japanese. Who killed in Marines? Huh. The book. Right. The killing of JFK, a theory. Okay, so great book. Apparently our dad likes JFK a lot, or JFK theories. Why is this spinning? Stop. You better stop spinning. Wait, can we make it spin? That makes it spin. We can stop it. Okay, that's some real thunder there. Okay. Moving on. Let's see. Okay. Fresh. She's definitely animated. She looks horrible. Cover up her face. We don't want to see that horrifying face ever again. Wait, joke. There we go. And now, cover that up right there. Sarah Holst. We don't want to see your ugly face. Whoa. The accidental pariah. Okay. Accidental pariah. Gosh, Dad. Oh. Okay. Dad's been looking. Dad's been reading some stuff. Okay, so, wait, what did it say? Dad's second. Oh, so dad is a writer. Okay. What's this? Stranger under my roof. Okay, I have no idea who that is. Oh my god, what? Wait, I gotta do that. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Okay. 0450. Okay. No, 0451. Okay. That's probably for some kind of locker or something. I don't know. Oh my god, cover up that face. We don't want to see you. No! No! Oh god, I said it does. Okay. So... Oh, there's a light. Oh, okay. So, I think this... Oh, I'm not sure. I think this is the code. 45... Oh, or I meant 1. Yes, okay. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Blah. Okay, gotta stop in the chair. Okay, okay, we need to continue moving on. What's this? Sounds boring. Yes, we have an eraser. Let's put it in the flowers. No, 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 it's supposed to be perfectly camouflaged. Wait. There we go. It's perfectly camouflaged. This plant is the camouflage master. Look, we can save 50 or 25 cents. We can camouflage anything in this, except that. Camouflage our book. No, I can't. Okay. Right. Why is this light not working? Wait, is it? No, it's not. Okay. Can we drink that? What's this? Dr. Jitters. Great music.
Somehow I always knew that someday we'd be
Oh,
through.
shop doors. Yes.
Now that it's happened, I just can't believe it's true.
Shut up. That sounded weird as well. What's this? Irish whiskey. Yeah. Some whiskey. Can we pour that now? Okay. Let's move on. Oh, nice. Yes. Okay, let's put everything in the trash can. There we go. More stuff in the trash can. No. what's this? Katie, please tell mom and dad sorry about the stuff that's missing, Sam. Okay? More highlighters. Throw them all in the trash can. Pink highlighter. Yes, it's a pink highlighter. Okay. Wait, what's that?
So you know what they say about the best laid plans of mice and men? Yeah, turns out it applies to Street Fighter too. At least I worked up the courage to walk into the 7-Eleven and ask for a turn, but all that practice at home did not exactly translate in the wild. So after I was finished getting my butt kicked, I followed them outside while they smoked. And that was when she asked me if I was that psycho house girl. But then she said she's always really wanted to see the psycho house.
Okay,
Her
we
name
need
is
a key.
Lonnie. She's coming over tomorrow.
So there was nothing in here. Can we pick up that? Yes, we can. The attic. Yes, we need to go to the attic. And yeah, we also explored the entire that area. I believe the attic's supposed to be up here. That would be logic, I guess. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Calm. Oh yes, another plant. Can camouflage the calm. Okay, what was that? This game is becoming creepy. Okay. What's this? Ratmobile. For Sam. Okay.
It's weird hanging out with girls. Daniel was around ever since I was little, and other girls? I don't know. But being around Lonnie is like instantly just right. I gave her the grand Psycho House tour and took my revenge on Super Nintendo. And it was like, I don't know, I finally found someone I feel normal around. I drove her home and she gave me this tape and said, "You have got
What's
to listen
this?
to this." I haven't stopped playing it since.
Super Spitfire. Okay, so these are games. Gonna stack them here. Journey of Crystal. Okay. What's this? This is Adventurous the Cat Returns. Okay. Nice. What's this? Fireball. Oh, okay. So these are some cheats. Okay, nice. Let's see here. What's this? This is a dino. Wait, what? Steggy. Let's put Steggy on the desk. More of this Fitzwright ginger ale. Ugh. Okay, so that's another. Okay, PlayStation, stop recording. Okay, let's see, what's this? Blah blah blah. Got your number. Mitten. Oh wait, can we use 1888 as the serial number? Wait, 1 8 8 8. Crap. 119. Oh, 119. Crap. Sonic 1017. 1017. Crap. What's this? I haven't had that much to drink. Faster. Okay. Let's see. Mug. Yes. The brother. Okay, so she and her dad are building that. Bunch of C minus. Okay. She wants to hide them from her parents apparently. I want to believe. Well, you want to believe. Huh. Okay, but I think we're gonna end this episode. Yeah, and if you enjoyed, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay awesome, guys. Stay awesome.